In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PayPal money to an email address. Let's get started. First and foremost, open up your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. This step sets the stage for everything that follows, so ensuring you have a reliable connection is crucial. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. After clicking Login, you're going to be prompted to enter your PayPal credentials, which are your email address and password. Make sure these details are entered correctly for a smooth login experience. As always, remember to keep your login information secure and avoid using public computers to access your PayPal account if possible. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, locate and click on Pay and Get Paid, which is usually a prominent button and should be easy to find. Clicking this will navigate you to a new page with several options related to payments. Next, you'll want to click on Send Payment. This step is where the magic happens, as it lets you start the process of sending funds. Once you've initiated sending a payment, you'll see a new field where you can enter the recipient's name or email address. It's important to ensure that the email address you enter is accurate to prevent sending money to the wrong account. After you've entered the recipient's information, proceed to type in the amount you wish to send. Double check that you've entered the correct amount, as this can often be a point of error. Following that, you'll be asked to specify the purpose of the transaction, which could be anything from a gift to payment for a service. Adding this detail not only helps you with record keeping, but can be important for the recipient as well. With the details in place, click Next to proceed. You will be offered a choice to select whether the funds are for friends and family or another purpose. Selecting for friends and family can sometimes affect transaction fees, so make sure it's the appropriate choice for your situation. Click Continue to advance to the payment options. Here you'll choose your payment method, whether it's from your PayPal balance, linked bank account or credit card. If you haven't linked a payment method yet, now would be the time to do so by entering your bank or card details. Finally, follow the prompts to finalize your payment. PayPal will guide you through the final steps, ensuring everything is correct before you send the payment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent money via PayPal to an email address, helping your transactions remain seamless and effortless. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.